Good morning. How is it going? It's going well. Hi, how are you? I am fine, thanks. Hi. Hello, how are you been? I've been great, thanks. Hey, what's up? Not much, you? How are things? How are things? Everything's fine. Everything's fine. How are things? How's your day going? How's your day going? It's going well. It is going well. How's everything? How is everything? Everything is great. How's everything? Everything's great. How are you doing? How are you doing? I'm doing well, thanks. I'm doing well, thanks. What's new? Nothing much. What's new? Nothing much. How is life? Life is good. How's life? Life is good. How have you been lately? How have you been lately? Pretty good, thanks. Pretty good, thanks. How are you today? How are you today? I'm good, great. I'm doing great. I am doing great. How's your morning? How is your morning? It's been busy. It's been busy. How's your afternoon? How's your afternoon? It's going well. It is going well. It's going well. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? It was wonderful. It was wonderful. How's your weekend going? How is your weekend going? So far, so good. So far, so good. What have you been up to? What have you been up to? Just working and relaxing. Just working and relaxing. How are things at work? How are things at work? They're going well. They're going well. How's school? How is school? It's going great. It's going great. How's school? It's going great. Are you doing okay? Yes, I'm doing fine. Are you doing okay? Yes, I'm doing fine. How do you feel today? I feel great. How do you feel today? I feel great. Is everything okay? Yes, everything's fine. Is everything okay? Yeah, everything's fine. What's happening? What's happening? Not much. What's happening? Not much. What's going on? What's going on? Nothing special. What's going on? Nothing special. Any news? Any news? Nothing new. Nothing new. What's your family? How's your family? They're all doing well. How is your family? They're all doing well. How are your parents? They're fine, thank you. They're fine, thank you. How's your health? How's your health? I feel healthy. I feel healthy. How's business? How is business? Business is good. Business is good. How's the weather where you are? How is the weather where you are? It's sunny today. It's sunny today. Did you have a good day? Did you have a good day? Yes, I did. Yeah, I did. How was your day? How was your day? It was fantastic. It was fantastic. Are you busy today? A little, but I'm not okay. A little, but I'm okay. How's everything going? How is everything going? Everything is going smoothly. Everything is going smoothly. How are things on your side? How are things on your side? Everything's under control. Everything's under control. Long time no see. How have you been? Long time no see. How have you been? I've been doing well. Nice to meet you. How are you? Nice to meet you. I'm great. Good to see you again. Good to see you again. You too. You too. How has it been lately? How is it been lately? Pretty good so far. Pretty good so far. Is your day going well? Is your day going well? Yeah, it is. Yes, it is. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? I'm feeling much better. I am feeling much better. Everything right? Everything all right? Yes, thanks for asking. Yes, thanks for asking. How's your evening? How's your evening? It's relaxing. It's relaxing. How have you had a good weekend? Have you had a good weekend? Yes, it's been productive. How are things these days? How are things these days? They're going really well. They are going really well. How's your mother been? How has your mother been? How's your mother been? It's been excellent. Are things going well? Are things going well? Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are. How's everything with you? Couldn't be better. Couldn't be better. What are you doing these days? What are you doing these days? I'm keeping busy.